If you've ever talked about something in real life, like buying a TV, going on vacation, or changing your phone, and then suddenly you start seeing ads about that exact thing, this video is for you, because it feels creepy. It feels like your phone is listening. And honestly, most people never check the settings that actually control this. So let me show you what to turn off right now. No long talk. Let's go straight into it. First, open your settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now go to Microphone. This page shows you every single app that has permission to use your microphone. Take a second and look at this. Do all of these apps really need to hear you? For example, Maps doesn't need your microphone. Shopping apps don't need it. Social media apps usually don't need it. So tap on any app you don't trust and turn it off. If an app doesn't need your voice, don't give it access. That's the first thing most people never check. Now let's go back. Still inside Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Tap on Analytics and Improvements and look at this. Here you'll see things like Improve Siri, Improve Dictation Share iPhone Analytics Share, iCloud Analytics Share, Watch Analytics. All of these mean one thing. Your phone is sending usage data and sometimes audio data to Apple. Apple says it's anonymous. Apple says it's for improvement. Maybe. But if you care about privacy, you don't need this on. So I recommend turning all of these off. You're not losing anything important. You're just keeping your data to yourself. Now let's go back to the main settings page. Scroll down. Find Siri and search. Tap on it. Here, look at Listen for Hey Siri. If this is turned on, your phone is always listening for that phrase. Not full conversations, but it's always active. If you don't really use Siri with your voice, just turn this off. You can still use Siri. By pressing the side button, you don't need your microphone open all the time. Now pause for a second. Let me explain something important, because this is where most people get confused. Your iPhone is usually not secretly recording everything you say. That would be illegal. That would be a massive scandal. Apple wouldn't survive that. So what's really happening? Why do ads feel so accurate? Why does it feel like someone is listening? It's not mostly about your microphone. It's about tracking. Your searches, your location, your apps, your browsing history. All of that is being connected together. And that's how ads become creepy. In the next part, I'm going to show you exactly where that tracking happens and how to shut it down properly. Because that's the real reason behind this. And once you turn those off, the difference is huge. Now let's talk about the real reason ads follow you everywhere. Because this is where most of the tracking actually happens. Not through your microphone. Through your activity. Go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap Safari. Scroll all the way down. Find Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. Make sure this is turned on. What this does is simple. If you search for something on one website, it stops that website from sharing that information with other apps and platforms. So if you look at TVS on one site, Facebook and Instagram won't instantly know about it. This one setting alone makes a huge difference. Now if you use Chrome, do the same thing there. Go to Settings, then tap Chrome. Turn off cross-site tracking. Do it on every browser you use. Now go back. Open Privacy and Security again. Tap on Tracking. This is one of the most important pages on your phone. If Allow Apps to Request to Track is on, apps are allowed to follow you across different apps and websites. That means what you do on one app gets connected to another app and used for ads. Turn this off completely. When this is off, apps can't ask anymore, and that protects you a lot. Next, still in Privacy and Security, tap Location Services. This is another big one. Scroll through this list. If you see apps set to always, that means they can track you even when you're not using them. That's crazy. Most apps should be while using the app or never not always. So tap on each one, change it. Be strict here. Then scroll all the way down. Tap System Services. Turn off things like Product Improvement, Significant Locations. Location-based ads, your phone doesn't need to remember everywhere you go. That information is extremely valuable, and you should control it. Now let's talk about apps, because some apps are the biggest trackers. Facebook, Instagram, Amazon. These are built on advertising, so you need to limit them inside the app too. Open Facebook. Tap the menu. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. After that, click Account Center. Tap Add Preferences. Go to Manage Info. And remove as much as you can. Turn off personalized ads. Turn off partner data. Make it as private as possible. Do the same in Instagram. Go to Profile, then tap 3 lines. Here choose Account Center. Then tap Add Preferences. Same process. Restrict everything. Now open Amazon. Tap Menu, then click Account. After choose Ads Privacy. Opt out of personalized ads. Turn off cross-app tracking. Again, restrict everything. Here's the truth. Your phone isn't spying on you like in movies, but it is collecting behavior. What you search, where you go, what you open, what you watch, what you buy. And that data builds a profile. Once you turn off these settings, that profile becomes weaker, and ads become less accurate, less creepy, less invasive. So if you actually go through all these steps, you're already doing more than 90% of people. Most people never touch these settings, and that's why they feel watched. One last thing. Privacy isn't about hiding. It's about control. You decide what gets shared. Not apps, not companies, you. If this video helped you, leave a like. And if you want more iPhone tips like this, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.